If addiction is controlling your life or the life of a loved one, Adams Recovery Center is the place where your new life begins. Adams Recovery Center offers a long-term treatment program as well as continuing care in our gender-specific centers for men and women. Our program focuses on behavior modification, getting to the underlying causes of addiction. Adams Recovery Center was founded because there was a need for a long-term substance addiction treatment program in the community.
ARC provides what's needed for a successful recovery, and that's a therapeutic community. A therapeutic community is where people come together in a community setting and work together to help take them out of addiction and into sobriety. Therapeutic community is so important for a client's success and sobriety because it is showing that there are people that care about them and that they can be a part of something, again, that's bigger than themselves. What makes our program different is starting at intake till the end of the program, you're going to be cared about. When you call in, you're going to hear back from us. You're going to know that we care, and once you get here, we're definitely going to show you we care while also holding you accountable and making sure that you're working on things like integrity, honesty, and responsibility.
Our services include individual counseling and treatment planning, group and family counseling, care coordination for legal, employment, and housing needs, and medical services that include physicians and nursing staff on site.
What you can expect is to be here roughly around 4 to 6 months, and you're going to be looking at your own individual goals, and we're going to help you hopefully meet those goals and maintain your sobriety.
Cognitive behavioral therapy is a therapeutic approach where we as clinicians encourage people to look at their belief systems and their thought processes and look at how that might be influencing their behavior. While on active addiction, people develop a lot of problematic thoughts and behaviors that cause the use to continue. By using CBT, we're able to challenge those thoughts and behaviors and replace them with ones that are more positive, that are more pro-social, that assist people in reacting to stressors in life that doesn't involve drugs. We offer a lot of different therapeutic approaches at ARC. While cognitive behavioral therapy is our main basis and our main go-to, we really try to individualize our approach and make sure that whatever the individual client needs, that's the approach we're going to use and best help them in their journey.
The fact that Adams Recovery Center has on-site medical staff, which is definitely not the norm, is a plus for our clients in treatment. When clients come to Adams Recovery Center, they need education regarding their health on multiple levels. Active addiction takes a toll on their bodies. They need education about water drinking, hydration, nutrition, and especially exercise. One of the things we do at ARC is to help clients tap into their emotions to see that it does affect their physical health and well-being, especially when it comes in terms of anxiety related to their blood pressure, related to how they deal with things such as GI issues. And so we really help them to understand that connection, that the whole body is one.
Adams Recovery Center, they didn't just change my life and they didn't just save my life. They helped me save my own life. That was the difference that no other program and nobody else could give me.
The time I spent at ARC changed my life by allowing me to see a new perspective. I tried to listen as much as possible, and the counselors allowed me to see things. They allowed me to realize my emotions were normal, you know what I mean? Feeling anger, depressed, all these things are just normal, and it's what we do about it is what's key.
I think the whole approach here and how it's based, it's a community-based therapy, and the cognitive behavior therapy was huge for me. They helped me understand. They helped me to understand my own thinking so that I could fix my own thinking, rewire it.
Adams Recovery Center is such a great place, you know. They took me in, very, very willing to work with me, you know, all people that aren't just here for a paycheck. They're here because they care about people, and it shows.
Once I left the ARC, they helped with my ongoing recovery by offering other services like one-on-one counseling, which I still do today. I utilize that today. And then they also had the aftercare program, which was very helpful. It helped with the transition from being in here for 5+ months to transitioning to the outside world.
So I'm 30 years old, and I now have like a nice apartment I'm paying for. I'm paying all my bills. You know, it sounds horrible, but it's wonderful. It's not something I'm used to doing. And it's a pleasure to pay a credit card bill, to pay a car payment, an insurance payment. You know, I go to a job 40 hours a week. I take care of my kid. I have friends. You know, all these things that I can do, and it's made possible because I came to Adams Recovery Center.
Before Adams Recovery Center, I was unreliable and undisciplined. What Adams Recovery Center gave to me was the ability to be self-disciplined, make good choices, and be a part of society again. Today, I am in college and I'm studying for Associates of Science to transfer out to a Bachelor's of Science in Psychology.
I've been clean for 25 months thanks to Adams Recovery Center. And my life is life. You know, I can tell you it's great, it's wonderful, and it is, you know, but there's ups and downs. And that's one of the things that this place has taught me, is that, you know, life's not about being happy all the time. It's about knowing that there's going to be ups and downs and being okay with it. And so far it's worked. You know, I love life.
Adams Recovery Center, where your new life begins. Visit adamsrecoverycenter.org or call 513-575-0968.